Hello, it's Monday, November 7th, and I'm Natalie Woods with MaxiForex Daily News. The US dollar gained slightly versus most majors. Non-farm payrolls came out worse at 80,000 versus the expected 97,000, but unemployment rates did decline from 9.1% to 9%. Greece's prime minister is expected to resign today after successfully forming an interim government with the opposition leader. Nasdaq dropped by 0.44% and the Dow Jones declined by 0.51%. Crude oil closed slightly lower at $94.06 a barrel. Gold declined by 0.51%, closing at $1,754 an ounce. The euro declined slightly versus the dollar and fell versus the pound as investors kept responding anxiously to any data regarding the European debt crisis. Greece has successfully passed the no-confidence vote, and Greece's prime minister canceled the referendum vote. The momentum of the euro-dollar will remain bearish as long as it's below the 1.39 resistance level. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.3710 and with a high of 1.3868. The euro-dollar last traded at 1.3760. The British pound gained slightly versus the dollar and posted its biggest weekly gain versus the euro since January as the Greek debt crisis raised demand for UK assets. The trend for the pair will remain bullish if it maintains above the 1.59 level. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 1.5945 and a high of 1.6062. The pound-dollar last traded at 1.6010. The yen weakened versus the dollar, pound, and the euro despite the uncertainty in the markets and weak economic data in Europe and the US. Japan's currency intervention last week still has an effect on the yen's direction as investors fear another intervention. Technically, the dollar-Japanese yen is trading in a channel between 78.30 and 77.80. The US dollar-Japanese yen last traded at 78.10. The Canadian dollar weakened versus the American dollar. Unemployment rates in Canada rose to 7.3%, worse than the estimated 7.2%. The US dollar CAD is facing selling pressure around the 1.0230 resistance level. Breaking above the 1.0230 level could send the pair rallying towards 1.06 again. The US dollar CAD last traded at 1.0190. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at maxiforex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Natalie Woods, wishing you a happy trading.